This is the car of my dreams, really, a 70 Monte Carlo. My name is Hiram Riviera. I'm with Members Only Club. I've been with them for over 25 years. And this is my car, a 70 Monte Carlo. This is the first generation, and the 70 is the first time this car ever came out on the road. That's why this is the car to have, as far as I'm concerned.
Son, you know, the Holy Spirit in the engine there too.
Get him too. There we go. He needs it.
I always wanted a 70. It took me probably over 15 years to find this one. Oh, the build, when I got it, it was, when I first purchased it, the engine wasn't as nice as it looks now. I put the chrome and everything nice in there. I did that myself. And as far as the interior was done too. I did some minimal stuff to it, but basically it was already 80% the way it is. This has got a 400 small block Chevy engine. It's got a 3/4 cam. It's got a positive rear end, and it's got a 400 transmission. This car right here in a quarter mile do about 170 miles an hour. Believe it or not. Some people don't believe that, but it will. But I just cruise it. I don't race it. Yeah. And that 400 engine, only about 10% of these cars came out with it. A lot of people don't think that 400 came in there, but it did. Most of the cars on this model were 350s or 454s. And this is rare for that reason. The internet is a world. I mean, you can find anything you need there. And the chrome, that's something that you buy off the shelf, these. Because they're so common, but they look nice. And that's what I wanted, you know? Underneath the car is as clean as the top. It's got all leather interior. The front seats are from an Eldorado. I can't remember one year, but they're powered with airbags for the cushion in the back and in your bottom. I bought a car. Unfortunately, the guy that I got the car from, he was having money problems with his house. So he had to sell the car. That's why I found out about it, went and talked to him, and I took her home, put it in my garage, December 31st, 2007. That's when I first drove it in the car, and I put it in my. It's been mine ever since.
And what's your favorite part about the car, or a detail that you think that most people won't notice, but you love it?
The engine. People think that's a 350, and it's not. It's a 400, small block.
400.
400,
yeah, they better
yes.
recognize.
Right, and it's not a 454, so a lot of people don't know that. So, other than that, the car is great. I love it. This is the car of my dreams, really, a 70 Monte Carlo. Yeah.
It's a great car.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a great car for me. And see, it's got the 400 here.
Oh, there we go.
Right there, it says 400. And like I was saying, if you look under, and I don't know if you want to do this, if you look underneath the car, it's as clean as it is on top.
I'm going to look under there.
It's as clean as it goes on top, yeah.
So what does the car culture or car scene mean to you?
It's the idea of having your choice of car. I'm into the hot rods, the muscle cars. Most of the guys here are into lowriders. They're beautiful, but that's not what I like for a car. I like the muscle, the style of the car when it came out, and that's about it. And it's a nice thing because I drive this car. People always give me the thumbs up, say hello. I say hello back, and they know what it is. Most of them know what it is, but the older guys do.
Yeah.
But the younger kids don't. But they ask questions, and I answer them the best I can.
Yeah, they want to learn. I want to learn.
Yeah, they want to learn about the old style cars, and this is one of the first ones that came out that was really a muscle car from the 70s.
That's awesome. And
Yeah.
what other cars do you have?
Well, I got another car. I got a 74 Monte Carlo. You guys probably seen it out here once in a while. 74, lime green, white top. That one, I'm going to be 62 years old. That car I bought back in March of 85, and I've had it ever since. And I only paid $1,500 for that car.
Wow.
And it's dressed up almost the same as this one. The chrome top, the headers and everything. It's not as fast as this one, but it's got swivel seats. Swivel seats factory, not the kind you go buy and put on those cars came out with swivel seats. 10% of them came with that, not many. That's why the car is rare. When I first bought it, I didn't know that, but years later I found out that those were very few cars that came out like that. And I'm in love with that car. Now, If I had to sell one, which I hope I never do, this would be the one that I sell. I wouldn't sell the other one.
How much will you sell this for?
This one, I will say at least 35. I hate to say this, it's like having a wife and a girl on the side, you know, this is the girlfriend, the other one is the wife, the green one is the one you go home to, this is the one you go out to get,
Yeah.
That's kind of like
This
that.
is the one you take
But
out cruising.
yeah, but the other one, yeah, this one is my favorite, but the other one I take care of better. Oh yeah.
Yeah, what does the blessing mean to you?
Yeah, we're here for the blessing, and the blessing is just a culture that we get together, the priest comes, he blesses all the cars, and anybody that want to be blessed or prayer, he does it, and it's a lot of fun. You come out here and you see a lot of different people really getting into it. Yeah, I try to come every year. Yeah, and every year I bring the other car.
What will you give advice to anybody that wants to get into custom cars?
Right now it's tough. It's tough because of the money. It costs a lot of money. When I first started, things were a lot less, and not because it was a long time ago, but you had money according to what you did, what you worked, and you could always come out with extra money. Now you could do whatever you do, and it's hard to come up with money. That's why I got these cars, because these cars I've had them for a long time. Right now, I couldn't afford to buy this car. I couldn't, and neither the other one, but I've had them for so long. If I sell them, I say I'll make a mistake. So that's why I keep them. They're gonna be with me since I die, and I'm sure somebody will take care of them afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Now that you bring up the money, I've heard that there's these misconceptions that a lot of people that have custom cars are into selling drugs or
No,
criminal activities.
Definitely not. Definitely not. I didn't go to college. I just graduated high school. I worked in factories, and I've been a truck driver for 27 years. And that's how I saved to get what I got. But no, I never. No, you don't have to be into drugs to get something like this. No.
Now, what's the most craziest thing or like the most memorable memory that you have of this car?
Getting best of show. I went to a car show. There were 65 cars in the competing, and I got best of show for this one.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and I got best of engine too.
That's why you put that. Please do not touch.
Oh, that's been in there since I got the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got 2 trophies that day. One for the best of show and one for the engine.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, I was.
Yeah, you were killing it.
Oh man, I was happy. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I took them home and I showed everybody. It's like, wow, that's nice.
No, that's
But
awesome.
nowadays it's not so much about the competition. See, like right here, there's no trophies here, but everybody comes together and everybody knows each other. Most everybody knows each other, and we just have a lot of fun with each other, and just hang out.
Of preserving history one vehicle at a time. For theirs is not just a hobby, it's a calling, a reverence for the past, driven forward by heart, grit, and grease, and a joy in that the work they love is endured, respected, honored, and admired.